Rahul Gandhi now. He's also launched this sharp attack on the Modi government, accusing it of cracking down on students by imposing sweeping restrictions while claiming that despite all of the curbs, the government has failed to stop one thing that mattered the most, and that is the paper leak themselves. So this is now coming across from Rahul Gandhi. So what we are now looking at, as far as there is a high security presence in and around the area, Jantar Mantar, that we are now looking at, there are several layers of barricades that have been put up. There have been several companies of the security that have also been deployed over the areas that we are looking at in New Delhi district that we are looking at. And this is what Rahul Gandhi has to say over that, because he is now saying you can shut the metro, shut down the roads, shut down the shops, shut down the internet, shut down the food. But the government has taken these cruel steps against students who are demanding their rights. But there is one thing that they couldn't shut down, Mr. Modi, that is paper leaks. So we're looking at restrictions in the area that has been imposed because of the security situation there. Kritika, we are looking at how Rahul Gandhi is responding, saying that you can shut everything down, but one thing that you failed in shutting down was paper leaks.
Well, absolutely. As the students continue to throng Jantar Mantar, the opposition parties, specifically Congress also, all of them, in fact, have a huge stake in making this their weapon of choice against the government as well. And now with the kind of orders that have come in from the government, whether it is the closure of the 18 metro stations or of regulating operations of Ola, Uber and other ride-hailing platforms, or Swiggy, Zomato, Instamart, all of these other quick commerce and food delivery apps as well. We've seen that the leader of opposition now is criticizing all of these measures and stating that while the government can put in stringent action in place, they cannot, however, stop paper leaks. The Prime Minister also, a direct attack on the Prime Minister, wherein he says that the Prime Minister has been unable to stop paper leaks. I remember last night also, we've seen how the Prime Minister took to Instagram, the platform of choice for many of these young protesters here, yes, who have in fact made Instagram the platform wherein they're issuing and learning of the protest via videos. That is also coming in at the back of the Prime Minister, thanking students for their positive response on the assurance that he had given as far as the fast-track courts are concerned. But the opposition had earlier attacked this as well, had stated that this also is just lip service and is not convincing enough, and that the demand for resignation of Education Minister remains the top priority. Over to you.
All right, Kritika, thank you for that update. So on the other hand, you have simultaneous protests that have been undertaken on part of the opposition leaders, mainly Rahul Gandhi, that we are now looking